Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a two-step protein treatment featuring Aphoghee. And prior to our two-step protein treatment, we are going to be shampooing with the shampoo for damaged hair.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh, yeah. I'm out of yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl, too fine.
Aphoghee shampoo gently cleanses damaged hair and helps restore its natural beauty. It contains rich proteins and conditioners which help repair and protect damaged areas and improve hair strength. It is especially recommended for hair that has been damaged by heat appliances, color treating, relaxing, bleaching, or perming.
Now that I found you, I'm fiending for all your attention. Girl, yeah, hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah, all of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, they be alright. Yeah, can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you.
Alright, you guys, so I am out of the shower. I just rinsed the shampoo out of my hair, so I have no product on my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in and read the instructions, because for a protein treatment, you definitely wanna make sure that you're following the instructions. As you guys saw in the intro, I did get the packet. They do have the bottles as well. So the first thing it says with an exclamation point is make sure you shake well. So you wanna shake your product up really well. Alright, so after we do that, then it instructs that you gently cleanse your hair with the Aphoghee shampoo for damaged hair. Rinse thoroughly and towel blot dry. So my hair is still a little wet, so make sure it's dry all the way. The next instruction is we're going to apply enough Aphoghee treatment to thoroughly saturate our hair, and then we're going to comb the blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. So I want to tell you guys something really quick, because I went on their website to get a little bit more information. So for me, the purpose of this treatment is to restore my curls. So I am working on getting my curls to bounce back. If you watched my video prior to this, you will see me completing a couple bond treatments on my hair. So I've been on a journey ever since I got my hair colored to get my curls to come back. So make sure you check out that video that was posted. But for this, on their website, it says what to do if you lost your curl pattern. So for this, it says the two-step treatment, it has been shown to bring back about 80% of the original pattern. So I'm excited about this, you guys. And then it does say for a specific purpose to restore damaged curls, when applying both steps, you want to scrunch through the hair for complete coverage instead of combing the hair. So instead of using the wide tooth comb, I am going to scrunch, because I guess that's going to encourage the curls to start back forming. So I did want to mention that. And also, since I let you guys know what I did prior to this, which was the bond building treatments, I just want to let you guys know that there is a difference between the protein and the bond building treatment. So let's see. So while a protein treatment replenishes the loss of protein by filling in any gaps in the hair's cuticle, a bond builder helps bridge broken bonds and rebuilds the hair fiber from the inside out. So they say both are a must in your hair routine, especially if you have bleached hair. So both are necessary, you guys, for replenishing and restoring the hair. So all right, let's go ahead and jump in. Also, you guys, it does say in the instructions that you can use a handheld dryer, but the main thing is once you apply this on your hair, you do not want to like mess with it once it's starting to harden up. So that's why they do suggest the overhead dryer is the best, just so you're not manipulating your hair at all. All right, let's jump in.
Just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah.
Y'all, when I say this is literally a liquid, this is so runny and messy. So keep that in mind. And also, as you can see, the look on my face, the smell is not too pleasant, but I can deal with it.
She's no average girl, too fine, no, she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind, let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah. Just wanna call on you.
Oh, I know your love is fragile. Guess what? Mine too, and I know you need a real one. I could be that plug fall through, and I know I had you crying, saying something about you over me. Yeah. You say that he tried, but you know that was the old of me. Yeah. Can nobody make me feel the way I feel when you get close to me, yeah. Yeah, you know you're not gonna find nobody better, you should go with me, yeah. Yeah. Then I lay returning this call. Shit feel like a pitfall, hate to let you down, got you sounding all pissed off like buddy you ain't shit. Must forget about who I miss, be somebody of your word, and when you falling through the crib, say less. Just gotta hold the paycheck, I put a dub in the tank. By 6 I'm live in the flesh, to help you work out that stress. I bring the vibe and great sex, my mood is at an apex. So when you hate, I know you hate it when I gotta leave. Oh, I know you hate it when I gotta leave. Oh, how good I see you when I see. Yeah, guess what? I'd rather make it sooner than later. Rather make it sooner than later. Yeah, I'm on the way. I know you're out of patience, but I bet I'll make it worth your way if you let me on my way. Know you want it too, I can see it on your face, yeah. We fighting more than we sex. I know it feel like we trouble. We take that feeling from off till you the piece to my puzzle. And I'm the reason you breathing. Don't get it twisted, I want you, but I can see you don't need me. Yeah. You more like good on your own. You straight with the bills and the pain. You standing solid on 10, like you the queen of the pavement. You really run shit amazing. It's been a day until it fade away. Gotta leave. Oh, I know you waited when I gotta leave. Oh, how good I see you when I see you. Yes, man. Gotta make it sooner than
This balancing moisturizer is an essential step 2 of the protein treatment, so you always want to make sure you follow with this. I do want to say, if you guys have a lot of hair, I would recommend purchasing the bottle over the packet for the balancing moisturizer, just because I just had just enough to apply throughout my whole head. But you guys, my hair felt so silky after rinsing this out. I really didn't even need to deep condition. My hair felt so good.
fall through, and I know I had you crying, saying something about you over me, yeah. You say that he tried, but you know that was the old of me, yeah.
Alright you guys, so I am all done with my protein treatment, and this is my hair with no product. So I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys what it was looking like before applying any product or curl enhancers. And I am happy, you guys. My hair feels really healthy, and I do feel like my curls are curling. Of course, once my hair dries, obviously it should curl a little bit more, but you guys, I'm happy. I'm totally happy with my results. So yeah, All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.